After registering for classes at Gwinnett Tech, it is time to review your student account and pay for any remaining balance. We are going to cover making an online payment using a credit or debit card. To review your student account and make online payments, you must first log into Student Banner. Remember, you use the same username and password to log into all Gwinnett Tech systems. Select the Student Services and Financial Aid button to pull up your menu options. To review your account summary by term, select Student Records and then choose the link for Account Summary by Term. The Account Summary by Term is going to list any tuition, student fees, supply fees, payments, and financial aid that have been applied to your account. Online payment options can be accessed in a number of locations on Student Banner. You can select the Student Records tab and pay online from that menu. You can also select the Make a Payment Online tab from the main menu. Online payment options include credit or debit cards and Nelnet. We are going to focus on making an online payment using a credit or debit card. You will first be prompted to select the term for payment. Please make sure to select the correct term. When you select your term, you will be taken to the RTS Payment Gateway. You will be able to review a summary of your current balance, current aid, and the total due to Gwinnett Tech. You will need to enter the amount you are paying for this transaction. You can make more than one transaction if needed, as long as the balance owed is $0 by the payment deadline. After reviewing the amount owed, enter the amount you wish to pay during this transaction and select Pay by Credit. You will be directed to the credit card payment page. Enter the required information and select Pay Now at the bottom of the page. After you submit a payment, make sure to print and save any confirmation page or number for your records. You can review your account summary by term to confirm your payment as well. If you have questions related to your student account or payments applied, please contact our bursar at bursar@gwinnettech.edu or by calling 678-226-6700.